here's a car I don't do a video of every day, no doubt about that. Check this out, 2004 Ferrari 360 Spider F1 soft top convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 36,738 is all showing on this one at the moment. 3.6 liter V8, the automated manual trans with paddle shift. This car will do 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. 400 horse, but a very lightweight body and frame. Let's take a look at this front fascia, front nose of the car. Couple little spots where, yeah, it's had maybe a little pebble chip or a little rock chip, what have you, touched up, some very minor ones. On the hood. All right, still pictures. I want you to be able to see this car from every angle, underside, interior, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. In with those still pictures, you're going to see a copy of the window sticker, so you can see exactly how this car was equipped. It does have the modular wheel rims. And as far as behind those rims, you can see the red calipers would also be an option on there. Drilled rotors. Technician said brakes are 70% in the front, 60% in the rear. Also has a complete exhaust on the car, as it should. Has the electrically operated seats. Here in the States, power seats. Battery charger pre-wiring for the US. Rear Challenger grid, as well as the front Challenger style grills, and the Scuderia Ferrari shields. So check out that window sticker. It'll be in with all the other still pictures of this car, and there will be over 100 of them online. Ebony or black interior. Of course, the bucket seats, center console, it also has a passport radar detector that is built in. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll show you that a little closer. It's also going to come with a car cover up in the front storage compartment. There's the owner's manuals. I'll have those in the still pictures. There's the small luggage that is up there too. Other things that'll go with it. There's receipts from the 25,000 mile service as well as the 35,000 mile service. So that service done within 1,000 or so miles ago. Take a look at the rear of the car, and once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like exotic cars, muscle cars, really no matter what kind of car, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, anything major. Yeah, is there a small little pebble chip or what have you up front on it? Yes. The car's been driven. It's got 35,000 miles on it. Have some fun. Excuse me, 36,000 miles on it. Have a little fun. Drive it yourself. We are going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek at that engine bay. And lucky day for Jason. He's going to take it for a drive, show you how this one goes down the road. All right. Door handle. Right here. Now, you can see door panel, looking good. Seats. I have a little beeper going off here. There's a security I'm going to show you in a second. Seats, what you'd expect. Nice shape, little bit of wear in the bolster, but nothing out of the ordinary. All right, on this little key fob here, there's a button we're going to push. Turn that so we have the beep to stop. That's a security reminding you, check oil. Goes through a service, a systems check, says okay, so check oil. It's a reminder. Seatbelt light over here. There's your exact miles, 36,738. And you heard me, I mentioned the paddle shift. So it is the F1 automated manual trans with paddle shift. Top of the dash looking good. AC blows cold. Power mirrors. There is a panel right here for the power top, gas door, the front release, and I believe windscreen. And that famous Ferrari sound. Also sport mode switch right here. Incredible sounding car. That's the release for the engine compartment. And please call with any questions. Consult with a sales associate. Be happy to help you with this. If you want to know anything about those service receipts, done at 25,000 to 35,000 miles. Here it is. Absolutely beautiful muffler in the car also. Sounds as good as it looks. I will show you the top functioning too. I'm going to set up the tripod, do that. One other thing, let me show you. I want to show you it's in the still pictures, but let me go ahead. I'm going to pop that front compartment so I can show you the luggage and the manuals and what's in there. All right, real quick. Here's what I'm talking about. Folded them out for the pictures so you can see the manuals and then the small luggage pieces. Just want to let you know what was up here, and that is going along with it. Again, with the battery charger that is already pre-wired. The battery's going to go with it, and then a car cover. So wanted to show you that real quick before we do the convertible top and check out the condition of that. So give me a second, get the tripod set up, check out that top. And the top up, so you can see power top functions as it should. Black fabric top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up, as you can see also. Nice tight fit there. What you'd expect, really no rips, tears, holes anywhere at all. A few wrinkles from being folded down, because I'm betting the majority of the time this top will be down for the next owner too. A little over 36,000 miles on this 2004 Ferrari 360 Spider. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actually delivered new in Seattle, Washington. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all those still pictures and the window stickers in there also. Feel free to call sales associate with any questions. We are going to show you the top going back down. Remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving something special, a 2004 Ferrari 360 Spider. This is a convertible. You can run it in automatic mode or paddle shift. Mid-engine performance. An icon of performance, Ferrari. Believe it or not, this Ferrari's waiting for traffic. That iconic engine sound is alive and well. We're just gonna run her in auto mode to make it easy. Feels like a standard transmission shifting for you, which makes it more fun and reliable. You're at one with the road. When they say at one with the road, that's what this car feels. Showing approximately 160 degrees Fahrenheit on the engine. The oil temperature, which is also displayed on a gauge, approximately 130. Oil pressure 70. Then of course our tachometer and speedometer. Tells me what gear I'm in. I'm in 6th gear right now. Just cruising a little bit at 50 miles an hour. Stereo sounds great.
And Friday from 4 to 6.
Let's run with the window down a little bit just to see if you can hear it better. You might get a little wind noise, but it's worth it. Brakes feel magnificent. Corners like a Ferrari, could I say? It corners amazingly. Let's hear this thing. Oh yeah. I mean, you know you're driving a Ferrari instantly, yet it's comfortable. It's easy to drive. Visibility is not bad. Great condition inside and out. Buff to perfection, red Ferrari paint. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2004 360 Spider at Unique Classic.